If there was one sentence, just a single sentence, that could stay in a woman's mind for years and instantly make her feel something deeper for you, would you still waste your time using basic compliments like, "You're beautiful," or "Nice dress"? Most men repeat the same predictable lines over and over, never realizing why they get forgotten so quickly. Welcome back, everyone. Before we get into today's topic, take a second to support the channel. If these videos help you better understand female psychology and attraction, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow and allows more men to discover this kind of knowledge. And I want to ask you something. What country or city are you watching from today? I always enjoy reading the comments and seeing people from all around the world joining these conversations. Now here's something most men completely misunderstand. Attraction is not only about appearance, wealth, or social status. Those things may get attention for a moment, but they rarely create emotional impact. What truly stays in a woman's mind is the way you make her feel when she's around you. And one of the strongest ways to create that emotional connection is through the right compliment delivered with confidence, timing, and sincerity. Think about it carefully. Have you ever noticed how one genuine sentence can completely change someone's mood? Sometimes a woman can forget an expensive gift, but she will remember a meaningful compliment for years because it touched her emotionally. That's exactly what today's video is about. You're about to learn 8 compliments that create real emotional attraction. These are not cheesy pickup lines or desperate attempts to impress her. These compliments work because they make her feel understood, appreciated, and emotionally connected to you on a much deeper level. And here's the reality most men never hear. If you constantly throw out generic compliments like confetti, saying things like, "You're hot," "You're cute," or "You look amazing," you instantly become ordinary. You sound exactly like every other guy trying too hard for attention. But a man who understands emotional intelligence knows something important. The real power is not just in the compliment itself. The real power comes from the emotion behind the words and the feeling they leave inside her. So if you want to stand out from other men, build stronger attraction, and become unforgettable in her mind, pay close attention to these compliments. Compliment number 1. That perfume suits you perfectly. It's honestly impossible to forget. A woman's scent is deeply connected to memory and emotion. Smell is one of the strongest psychological triggers in the human mind. When you compliment her fragrance in this way, you're not simply telling her she smells good. You're telling her that her presence lingers in your mind even after she leaves. That creates emotional weight behind your words. Compliment number 2. Your smile changes the entire atmosphere around you. Notice the difference here. You're not only complimenting her physical appearance, you're acknowledging the emotional energy she brings into a room. Women are deeply affected by how others respond to their emotional presence, and this compliment makes her feel impactful rather than simply attractive. Compliment number 3. I like how real you are. You don't pretend to be someone else just to fit in. Authenticity is rare today. Many people constantly seek validation and approval from others. When you recognize a woman for being genuine, you separate yourself from men who only notice surface-level beauty. This compliment speaks directly to her identity and character. Compliment number 4. The way you think is honestly refreshing. You see things differently from most people. This is where emotional attraction becomes stronger. You're complimenting her intelligence, perspective, and depth. Most women are tired of conversations that stay shallow. When you appreciate the way her mind works, the interaction instantly feels more meaningful and memorable. Compliment number 5. Your energy is motivating. Being around you actually inspires me. This compliment carries emotional strength because it shows influence. You're not simply saying you enjoy her company. You're saying her presence positively affects your mindset and pushes you to become better. That creates a powerful emotional connection. Compliment number 6. You're incredibly thoughtful. You notice things most people ignore. Small details matter. Women often put emotional effort into the people around them without receiving recognition for it. When you acknowledge her thoughtfulness, you make her feel appreciated for who she truly is, instead of only how she looks. Compliment number 7. I respect how disciplined and focused you are. That's honestly attractive. Ambition and determination are deeply connected to identity. This compliment shows maturity because you're appreciating her drive, not just her appearance. It communicates respect, and respect creates stronger attraction than shallow praise ever will. Compliment number 8. You have a calming presence. People naturally feel comfortable around you. This is one of the most powerful compliments because it touches emotional intelligence. A woman who makes others feel safe, valued, and understood carries a unique kind of energy. When you recognize that quality, she feels emotionally seen in a way that very few men are capable of doing. And those are the 8 compliments that create deeper attraction and emotional impact. Remember this: women hear surface-level compliments all the time. Beauty fades into the background when every man says the same thing, but a compliment that makes her feel respected, understood, and emotionally connected is something she remembers for a very long time. Because in the end, attraction is not only about what a woman sees when she looks at you, it's about how she feels when she's around you. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable today, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content. And tell me in the comments, which one of these compliments do you think has the strongest impact? Keep improving yourself, keep mastering communication, and remember this: a few carefully chosen words can leave a stronger impression than 1,000 empty compliments ever could.